Hey, it's Levi from YieldNodes Legal. Our browser extension is finally available. It's going to validate your YieldNodes account and calculate your frozen initial investment. From there, you can either submit your data to YieldNodes Legal and to our legal team, or you can just download a copy of your data for your own self. And we would highly recommend that you do this just in case something were to happen to the YieldNodes website. You have a full copy of your profile and all your transactions and wallets. Submitting your data is not going to start any kind of legal process. There'll be a separate step later in our new web platform where you will be able to opt into any legal process. And before doing that, the attorney will be revealed to you and a full detail of what the legal process is and what the expected outcome is. Submitting your data right now is going to help that legal team analyze the situation. It's also going to help law enforcement with any potential investigation, and it's going to help us do blockchain analysis using the wallet information. So let's go ahead and head over to the website and I'll show you how this works. So you see that there's a new banner here at the top of the website. Just hit this button to get the extension. This is going to open up the Chrome Web Store, which you could also just open yourself and search for YieldNodes Legal. Just make sure that you see our website and our logo there and screenshots of this extension. Add it to Chrome. And we see that it's been added up here in the upper right. That's all that we need to do. Now just head over to YieldNodes. And after logging in, you'll see that there's this new footer at the bottom of the page. This is going to calculate your frozen initial investment. And there's a preview pane on the right where you can see all of your data that this extension is pulling from YieldNodes. This does not pull your login information, but it does pull your profile, which has your name, address, phone, and email address in it. It pulls your deposit transactions and your withdrawal transactions. This is what lets us calculate your frozen initial investment. And it pulls your public wallet addresses. This is what allows us to do the blockchain analysis. Hit this download button to download the file directly to your computer. That file is going to contain everything that you see in this preview window. So it's a full backup of your YieldNodes account. If you would like to submit this information to our legal team and assist us, just hit this submit button over here. It'll load for a moment, and there we go. The data was received. If there was a problem submitting your data, you will get an error page and an explanation of that, and you should reach out to us on Discord or through our contact page on YieldNodes Legal if you had any problems. I will point out, if you refresh this page, it's going to look like you need to submit your data again. It'll calculate your frozen initial, and it'll show you all of your data again. Your data was received successfully the first time, but we've designed our database to where no one can read from it. And that includes this extension. So this extension can't check the database to see if you've already submitted your information. That's a security feature so that no information can be leaked by mistake. But if you're unsure, or if you're just uneasy about it and you're not quite sure if you submitted, it's completely fine to submit as many times as you want. You will get this confirmation page if it was successful. If you see the confirmation page, just know that we absolutely have your data. And on our new website platform, which is coming up next, you'll be able to see this data there, link your data, edit it, delete it, etc. There's also an FAQ page on our website where we've posted a lot of answers to common questions that we got during the alpha testing of this extension. So head over to the website and scroll down and check that out. If there's anything that we didn't answer in the FAQ, please feel free to reach out to myself or the admins on Discord, and we can have some live Q&A. Please download your data, keep it for yourself, and please consider submitting it to us to help us out. Thanks.